So I am Apurva. I am a social media manager, a copywriter, and a content writer. I joined the digital marketing industry back in 2012 when I started as a content writer. Then I started off with a magazine, which was an environmental magazine, and I loved writing for them. I used to research articles, I used to do interviews, and it was really fun. And apart from writing, I used to do copy editing and proofreading also. Designing was not a part of my job, but I absolutely enjoyed seeing my work getting printed. It was fun. And now I am a social media manager. I started off social media management in June 2021, and it has been a very interesting journey so far. And I am here to talk to you about marketing funnels. Social media marketing funnels are something that not a lot of businesses really focus on, which is something that is missing, and I think they should really concentrate on it. So there is a formula in copywriting which is AIDA formula, which is AIDA: awareness, interest, desire, and action. In this, I think the content marketing part, the content should be divided in these four sections, which is awareness. The first part will be where you will make your audience aware about your business, about your content, about your principles, about who you are. Then comes interest. Interest is the part where you will be talking about how does their business your business connects with their needs. That's where the interest parts come in. That's why they will get interested in investing in you. Then comes the desire. Make an irresistible offer at this particular point of time. Make it interesting for them. Make it worth their while. That's when the desire part comes in. And then comes the action part, which is in which they will take the decision, take the action of getting into a business with you. They will pay you. This is how I think the marketing funnel should look like, and you should try it too. Thank you.